Welcome to Dubai, a city where dreams reach for the sky and cultures converge in a tapestry of wonder. Begin your journey in the heart of old Dubai, where the echoes of the past resonate through the labyrinthine alleys of the souks. Experience the vibrant colors, scents, and sounds of traditional markets, where traders from around the world converge. As the sun sets, embark on a serene cruise along the historic Dubai Creek, where wooden dhows whisper tales of a bygone era. Marvel at the juxtaposition of ancient traditions against the backdrop of a modern metropolis. Venture into the heart of the city, where architectural marvels rise like beacons of innovation and ambition. Stand in awe beneath the towering Burj Khalifa, the tallest man-made structure on Earth, and lose yourself in the endless wonders of the Dubai Mall. Escape the urban bustle and unwind in Dubai's lush parks and pristine beaches, where tranquility meets modern luxury. Whether you seek adventure or relaxation, Dubai offers experiences to suit every taste and desire. Venture beyond the city limits and discover the timeless beauty of the Arabian desert, where golden sands stretch as far as the eye can. Embark on a thrilling desert safari, where adrenaline-pumping adventures await amidst the majestic dunes. Savor the flavors of the world in Dubai's diverse culinary landscape, where every meal is a journey of discovery. From Michelin-starred dining to humble street food, Dubai's culinary scene is a testament to its rich cultural tapestry. As night falls, experience the electrifying energy of Dubai's nightlife, where world-class entertainment and vibrant culture collide. Dance beneath the stars, indulge in luxury, and create memories that will last a lifetime in the city that never sleeps. Dubai, a city of dreams, where every moment is an adventure waiting to unfold. Experience the magic of Dubai. Your journey begins now.